first glance, this matrix looks quite complex. All of these shapes look like they belong in some kind of optical illusion, but I want to encourage you all the same to always take a step back from complex-looking matrices and remind yourself that a lot of matrices have very simple underlying patterns regardless of how complicated their shapes are. So see if you can look for the most simple patterns first before you start to deep dive into more complex possible patterns of logic. Two simple patterns of logic I see are external shapes. There are crosses, there are X's, and there are octagons. The other pattern of logic I see is related to the shading. There seems to be some kind of pattern with the shading. Let me look quickly at my answer choices and see which one will serve me best. And it looks like the shading is going to be the thing that helps me find my answer choice. All the shapes are the same. So let me look to my diagonals and see. If I look at my 1, 5, 9 diagonal, those shapes are the same, so it's likely not that diagonal pattern. If I look here, the shading patterns are the same, so I want to look for my 2, 4, 9 diagonal to help me solve this matrix. Here, with all of us laid out in our 2, 4, 9 diagonal pattern, we can see that elements 3, 5, and 7 all have their third layer shaded in. Elements 1, 6, and 8 all have their first and sixth layer shaded in. So elements 2, 4, and our missing element 9 should have their second and fifth layers shaded in. So we are looking for second and fifth. We know it definitely can't be B or E. C and D have 3 layers of shading, so that's incorrect. So we're down to A and F is the only one that is shaded in the second layer and the fifth layer. So F is our correct answer.